We're starting out Monday with some strength in the cattle market following a bullish USDA cattle on feed report issued last Friday. That report showed record, not record, but low placements not seen in the past decade of cattle. So that has that market supported. Also, we saw higher cash cattle trade occur in the U.S. last week. That's given the futures market a boost this week. For the hogs, we saw a big gap down technical trade on the daily chart last Friday that did produce some near-term chart damage in December hogs to suggest that a market top is in place. So we're starting out the week on a bullish tone for the cattle market, but the hog bears do have some downside momentum. We'll watch the packer margins in the hogs this week. It looks like they have backed off. That could also put some downside price pressure on the cash hog market. So until next week, this is Jim Wyckoff reporting.